Miss that smile. Lord knows I ain't seen that in a while, but it's your style. So something must be up keeping you down. You a queen that must be heaven sent. Pray my soul, I must repent for not telling you what I meant and how I felt. Honestly, I'm used to throwing wishes in a well. My conscience tells me that I could have helped without fail. Actions speak louder than words.
Hey dolls and gents, I'm back with a new video on this kinky curly wig. I want to thank SUNBER Hair for sponsoring today's video. So this is the first time that I've tried out a wig from this wig company, and I have to say that I really love the construction of the cap on this wig. This is a completely glueless install, y'all. I did not use any lace wig spray, no tape, no adhesive, nada, baby, nada. This is completely glueless. Y'all see that? Comb is just underneath the lace. And I'm obsessed. So if you are super low maintenance when it comes to your hair, you want a protective style, you want to try out a wig and you're a beginner, I highly recommend this wig right here. If you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. You'll be one of the first people to know. And if you would like to see how I install this wig today, completely glueless, baby, and beginner friendly, then y'all know what to do. Definitely stay tuned. So my wig came packaged in this satin drawstring bag. It also came inside of this box and it came with these goodies. It has a wig cap, elastic band, lashes, and makeup brush. And it also came with an extra elastic band. So your wig is packaged nice and secure. As you can see, it did come inside of this plastic bag with a hairnet, and it has the kinky curly edges, y'all. So the edges are super full. You can see the hairline. This is the natural texture of the hair. I did not bleach the knots on this wig or co-wash this hair prior to filming this. The inside of the cap does have two wig combs on the top, one in the back. It has adjustable straps as well as this elastic band for glueless application, and it does have extra lace in the back if you would like to wear this up in a ponytail. So I'm going to be applying this wig glueless today, so I am using the elastic band. I typically do not use it. So as you can see, the hairline is very full, so I decided to go ahead and off camera just go ahead and tweeze that hairline, especially since I didn't bleach the knots. And I also tweezed the baby hairs as well, and I love the way that it turned out. So you do not have to bleach the knots on this wig. It does look natural in my opinion, but of course if you bleach the knots, it's gonna look super natural. Let's go ahead and remove that excess lace from the front of the hairline. I'm just following along my hairline and making sure I do not get those baby hairs because I want those to still be intact. So I did get a glueless application with just using that elastic band, y'all. I did not use any of the wig combs. And as you can see, the comb is just sliding right underneath the lace, and I'm lifting it up and then down again. So I love the fact that you can wear this wig glueless, and I love the texture of this unit with the baby hairs. So I'm gonna do a side parting today, and it's not deep parting on the lace on this part. It's more deep parting in the middle, but you can still get a nice side parting, so that's what I'm doing. And I wanted to define the curls on this wig, so I'm going to go ahead and use my spray bottle mixture. This has my Kinky Curly Knot Today mixed with a bit of water, and I'm just spraying the hair down to get it nice and soaked. And then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of mousse and comb it through the hair with my fingers, and then I'm going to use a brush. I will link all the products that I'm using down below for you guys. I do the same exact steps when it comes to any kind of extra wavy hair, like a deep wave or a curly texture, when I want the curls to be defined. It's probably a lot easier to do this off camera. If you co-wash your wig before you apply it, then you won't have to do this on your head. But I really enjoy defining the curls on kinky curly wigs. I think it's super gorgeous, and I don't like my curls to be super crunchy. If you like them really defined and kind of more of a hold, then I would use gel, but I'm just using a mousse to give me a light hold and to give a bit of definition. And the curls on this hair are so pretty, y'all. I would say it's between a 4A, 4B texture. It's really easy to work with this hair, but it still looks really natural. So now that the curls are defined, I'm going to go through the top of the hair with a bit more mousse, and then I'm going to take my brush and just make sure that the tracks are covered right there by my parting area. This next step is definitely optional. You could leave the baby hairs just as they are, but I wanted to go one step further and lay them a bit. So I'm using a little bit of mousse and laying them with my toothbrush. And no, it is not the toothbrush that I use to brush my teeth, y'all. I use this specifically to lay my baby hairs, okay? So now that the baby hairs are nice and laid, I'm going to go ahead and pin this hair up out the way. And then even though I didn't use any adhesive or spray today, I am going to use this elastic band, and this is just going to mold down that lace around my hairline as well as lay those baby hairs a little bit better so my glueless application looks flawless. So I'm going to wait for the hair to get dry, and then I will be back, y'all. So now that the hair has pretty much air dried, I'm going to go ahead and remove the elastic band. This is so satisfying, y'all, to take that elastic band off. So even though we didn't use any adhesive, the lace is still super laid. So don't feel like you have to use glue to get your wig laid. You can definitely do without with this wig. So here is the finished install, y'all. If you have a diffuser, use that to dry your hair because it is cold right now. You do not want to go outside with wet hair, but I just stayed in the house and waited for the wig to completely air dry, and she is super, super gorgeous, fluffy. The curls are just defined, but they're still very, very fluffy. As I mentioned, if you want a more defined curl, then go for a gel. That's going to lock the curl in place and elongate the curls as well. So I did get this wig in a 20-inch, and I think this is the perfect length. If you want a little bit shorter, go for 16 or 18-inch, but I think 20-inch is perfect. And you can definitely fool people and think that this is your real hair, especially if your natural texture is already like this. If y'all would like to see more glueless installs, definitely thumbs up this video and let me know in the comment section down below. If you're interested in checking out this wig from SUNBER Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box, as well as any coupon codes that I have for y'all, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. If you have not already watched my last video, click the box right here, baby. It is a makeup tutorial. You don't want to miss it.